How to sort cryptos by market cap on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sort cryptos by market cap easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to the app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Go now to this option right here of prices, and now go to the top. Those are the cryptos. Just go here and click on this sort by rank here and choose market cap. Now as you can see, I just sorted the cryptos by market cap, easy and fast. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.